Hi, I'm Adriene with Premier Trailer Leasing, and this Maintenance Minute starts now. Welcome to Maintenance Minute. Today, we're talking about the lifeblood of your semi-trailer, the tires. Proper tire maintenance is essential for safety and efficiency. Start by ensuring your tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's specifications. Mismatched tire tread depth can lead to uneven wear, affecting your trailer's performance. Side-by-side tires should be matched within 430 seconds or less. Irregular tire wear? No problem. Maintain proper inflation levels. Spotting issues early can save you time and money. Look for signs of wear, like uneven tread or bulges. In summary, keep your semi-trailer rolling smoothly by maintaining proper tire inflation, matching tires, and addressing irregular wear with alignments and vigilance. That's it for this Maintenance Minute. Remember, well-maintained tires can keep you on the road safely and efficiently. Stay tuned for more tips. Don't forget, if you have any questions, just reach out. We're always here to help.